How to change mob spawn rate on Minecraft. The first things first is it's gonna be depending on the difficulty level of your current game or experience. So all I have to do for you to be able to check out on what you are currently on a difficulty right now on Minecraft is just go ahead to your options using the ESC skip button on your current Minecraft game and then go to options, and by there you'll be able to see the difficulty of your game. So if it's gonna be on peaceful mode, then there will be no spawn mobs on your current game. If it's gonna be on easy, then it's gonna be much more decent spawn rate on Minecraft. But if you would like to increase the spawn rate to maximum, then you'll have to change the difficulty level to hard mode. So that's it. That's how easy and basic you are able to change the spawn rate mobs on Minecraft.